does the 30 days before the trade date work for the wash sale rule?
Repurchasing shares that you sold within 30 days after that trade date at a loss makes a lot of sense, but how can you possibly repurchase shares that you haven't even sold yet? There's an important concept you need to understand called replacement shares. And the IRS considers replacement shares basically as repurchase shares. And replacement shares for the 30 days before for the wash sale rule usually come into play when you're selling older shares at a loss. So for example, let's say that you buy 100 shares of XYZ stock at $50 on January 15th, and then let's say that you sell those shares at $40 on March 30th, which would be a $10 per share loss. But before that, let's say that you bought 100 shares of XYZ stock at $45 per share on March 15th. Those 100 shares that you bought at $45 on March 15th could be considered as replacement shares for the shares that you sold at a loss on March 30th. A simple way to avoid this is if you're selling old shares at a loss, you want to look back and make sure that at least 30 days have passed since your latest purchase of that same investment that you plan on selling.